This video created by Professor Dr. Saber Shaker. SCAMPER is a versatile and effective creative thinking tool that provides a structured approach for generating innovative ideas and solutions in various domains, including business, product development, marketing, and problem solving. Originally developed by Bob Eberle, SCAMPER stands for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and rearrange. Each letter in SCAMPER prompts individuals and teams to ask specific questions that challenge conventional thinking and inspire fresh perspectives. By systematically applying the SCAMPER technique, businesses can uncover new opportunities, improve existing products or services, enhance processes, and drive innovation in a structured and creative manner. Hence, how IKEA used SCAMPER tool as substitute. IKEA substituted traditional furniture showrooms with mock-up room designs to allow customers to visualize products in their own homes. C. Combine. IKEA combined affordable pricing with modern design aesthetics to appeal to a wider customer base. A. Adapt. IKEA adapted its marketing strategy to focus on sustainability by promoting eco-friendly products and recycling programs. M. Modify. IKEA modified its product packaging to be flat-packed, reducing shipping costs and environmental impact. P. Put to another use. IKEA put its in-store restaurants to another use by offering a complete shopping experience with food and childcare services. R. Rearrange. IKEA rearranged its supply chain by implementing a just-in-time manufacturing process, reducing inventory costs and waste.